welcome to my channel. Guess what showed up on my doorstep? You read the title. Nadine sent me a hot pink package, and this is filled with fun styles, accessories, jewelry, I hope. I'm not sure. It is still sealed. I don't know what's inside this package. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you chose to spend some time with me today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe. To my returning subscribers, hello everyone. It is always very nice to see you. So I'm kind of excited to get into another big package. If you watched my last Nadine West unboxing and try on, I'll link it in the cards above. That package was kind of small. I think there was only 6 pieces in that pink package. All 6 pieces were really great picks for me. So I really enjoyed that package, but it looks like we're back to fatter packages, which is always fun as well. If you're not familiar with Nadine West style subscription, I will leave everything you need to know in the description box below. But in a nutshell, this is a very, very affordable style subscription. You fill out a very short style profile, and then Nadine sends you fun pieces to try at home. There's clothing, there's accessories, there's normally jewelry in every pink package, and you can try everything in the comfort of your home, and you can keep and buy what you want and send the rest back. You do use this same pink package to return anything, and Nadine does enclose a prepaid mailer inside this bag. Now, there is a charge. It's $9.78. That's a shipping charge. And that is credited towards anything that you keep in your bag. Nadine does send me this bag for free for my honest review and to share it with you. So that's what I'm going to do today. Let's break into this. Okay. All right. This one looks like, can you see that? It looks like there is 3 bundles in there, and I do see the invoice on top. That is an invoice with all the prices as well as the return mailer. Looks like 3 bundles. There's bundle number 1. So these look like good winter colors. Some kind of pinkish gray and burgundy there. I like those colors. Another big fat bundle. Okay, we've got some stripes here. That looks like navy stripes and some olive green. And bundle number 3 looks like this. Is that a sweater? Looks like a sweater and a fun print. Now in bundle number 1, can you see it peeking through there? That is a string to a jewelry bag. I do want to open the jewelry right away. Okay, would you look at this? I have 4 jewelry bags here. Let me get into them. In the first bag is a pair of gold hoops. This is what they look like. They are gold and they kind of dangle, and it appears to have like a gold wire wrapped around them. These are funky and very, very Kelly-like. Okay, the second bag also has an earring, and these are a post earring, but they have a little bling on the post and then a bit of a dangly. So these are cute in a gold tone. Bag number 3 has a bracelet in it, and is this silver? No, this is a gold tone bracelet as well. This is by the brand Pure, and it has these charms hanging from it, and the charms have a pearl, some turquoise. I'm sure that's faux turquoise. Let's see, that looks like an easy enter, and let me see, how easy is it? Let me try it out for you. Oh, super easy. Okay, so there's the bracelet, and I think this charm is actually, oh, maybe if I turn it over, it looks like, no, it's hanging backwards. Can I get it? Okay, I'm gonna work on that one. We'll see what I can do, but okay, this is fun. That's different. I've never seen anything quite like that. I expect that bag number 4 is a necklace, and this is by the brand Envy. This is a mixed metal necklace, so it looks like this. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cute. So the circle, the square, and these are kind of hammered, and that's a bronze on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, that's fun. There is a lot of clothes in these 3 bundles, so I'm going to try the clothing on and share my thoughts with you at the very same time. I am back. It is much later in the day. I filmed this entire video early today, and as I was editing this evening, just before I go to bed, I realized that the second half of my video with all of my final thoughts had 0 sound. And I know some of you would probably appreciate that, but I do want to share with you my thoughts on all of the pieces that I receive from Nadine West. So I normally publish a video and go to bed. So yeah, I am ready for bed, but I did take my hair down special to re-record this video. So thank you very much. Just bear with me. Thank you very much for being here and being so kind, and yeah, putting up with me right before bedtime. Let's get straight into the clothes. Nadine always sends a dress. You know that, I know that, and the good news is it is not a bodycon dress. Look how pretty though. It's a pretty color. This one is called the Ira dress. It is by, if I'm not mistaken, Zanana Premium, and this is one of those like swing dresses. I'm going to call it a tunic. I would only wear this dress as a tunic. It's too short for me. I like my dresses to be knee length, preferably like mid knee or right at the bottom of my knee, but I do like this. It's a nice soft t-shirt fabric, long sleeve V-neck. It has pockets, and who doesn't love that? Now, of course, I think this would look really nice with knee boots, but I also kind of liked it with flats and leggings. So now this one's expensive. $32.99. I think this is the most expensive piece of clothing, or truly any piece that Nadine has ever sent me. Is it worth $32? That's a high price for Nadine West, and that's why I think I'm having sticker shock. If it came in another sub box, I probably wouldn't think twice about it, but I love this color, and I'm excited to wear this one. Next is a pair of pants. These are a pull-on polyester pant. I don't think they have spandex in them. They just feel stretchy because of the waistband. These pants do have pockets. They're in a navy blue with a white stripe. They are a straight leg pant. They feel very comfortable, very silky, but they have the vertical stripes, which is so tricky. If you have a curvy body like me, you know what I'm talking about, right? I mean, you want the vertical stripes to stay vertical. And when you're curvy, sometimes the stripes kind of wiggle. And yeah, they did that here around the tummy and upper thigh area. I don't like that look at all. These are pants I could wear to walk the dog, or I could wear them around the house. But you know what? I have so many clothes that I really don't ever have to settle for something that doesn't make me feel confident, and these don't. If I lost a little bit of weight, I think these would fit better because they would hang better. There was a little bit of extra fabric in the tummy area, I felt like. But yeah, I thought these were a poor fit. The brand is New Mix. Yeah, $19.99. The next piece is called the Mandy Jogger, and these again are just a pull-on elastic waist. The drawstring actually works on this, so you could tighten them if you needed to. I didn't need to. They have pockets, and they're in a really pretty olive color. These are 100%, well, they're not 100%. They have spandex in them, but these are a really thick polyester fabric. So I know a lot of people don't like that. I do. And I especially like them in the wintertime because, so they're a thin fabric, but it's one of those thicker polyester fabrics, if that makes sense. So these will keep you warm in the winter, and these also have a banded ankle. I like that look. I saw these and I wasn't real excited about them. I did style them with a red t-shirt and red flats because I wear joggers just like that, but I see these styled with a graphic t-shirt. I have a white graphic t-shirt I am going to wear with these, and I'm also going to wear my olive denim jacket that I just picked up last week. Do you follow me? Do you know which jacket I'm talking about? Can you see the outfit? And maybe I think I'll either wear my white tennis shoes or my tan Supergas with this outfit. But yeah, I'm already thinking about where I'm going to wear this week. I like the way these feel. They are a tighter fit, which I don't mind because I like tight clothes. And I just like the way these feel. These are $21.99 by Capella. Now it's time for the tops Nadine sent. This is the first top. This is that top I said it's gray, it's pink, it's a heathered pink, but it's definitely pink and gray. This is a V-neck brush knit that's super soft. Can you see the softness? I wish you could feel it because it's incredibly soft. This one is only $24.49. This one is by the brand Popular 21 and it feels amazing. I think it's a very light color. Probably not the best color for me, even in this light. In the best light, I wouldn't pick this color for me, but I do think it will look really nice with a contrasting cardigan. That's kind of the way I'm seeing it because I want to keep this. Maybe even a black cardigan would look nice with this one. Now, this one has the lattice detail in the back, and I would definitely wear this with a cami or a tank underneath. I did take my tank off during the try-on just to show you how deep that V goes. I normally don't like lattice detail around my neck, but I don't have anything with the lattice detail in the back. What did you think about this one? Now this one is $24.49, which again seems high for Nadine West, but I have purchased several of these super soft brush knit tops this season. This one is the best priced one, and it has a fun little detail. So yeah, this one's a keeper. Okay, wait till you see this number. Look at this one. This is a button up, and this one is by DNA Couture. And so it's a classic button up. It also has a tab sleeve. So if you choose, you can wear it tabbed. It's button cuff, but true button up. And also you can barely see it, but there's pockets there. And that has a flap on it with a button closure. Now, Nadine sent this one in a size medium. I would prefer a size large, but I am going to keep it because I want to wear it right away. This one gives me the 70s vibes, and it's even 70s fabric. This is polyester, so much better than the 70s, though. There's a lot of stretch and spandex in this one. This one is a size medium. I would have preferred a size large in it. There was a little gaping between buttons 2 and 3, and I had the first couple buttons, I should say, I had them unbuttoned, but I could pop this over my head, so I will stitch this shut, so I never have to worry about any more gaping. The rest of it I think was fine. This top, $25.99. I think that's high, but I would pay that for a blouse that I'm excited to wear. Got a new brand. This is a new brand to me. This is by the brand Mido Shop. Have you ever heard of Mido Shop? I like this one, and I hope I get to see more from this label. So this, I'm going to call this a sweater. Let me get in close so you can see the texture, the weave of this fabric. This again is navy blue and white, a crew neck, a little nautical feel there. And this is almost like a crop length sweater, but it does have the shirt tails. It looks like there's just a classic white button down underneath, but it is a shorter looking sweater on top, and then we have this cute tie on the side. I like this one. This one is a polyester cotton blend, but it feels almost like cotton and linen. I can't even explain it. I don't really get the polyester. This one feels like a natural fiber, which is my favorite fabrics to wear. I like this so much. This is only $20.99. Now, the shirt tail buttoned was too tight around my hips, so I did have to unbutton it. What did you think about that look unbuttoned? I think it's okay. That's the way I'm gonna wear it. open because I am definitely going to wear this piece. And I think this piece is really cute with red shoes too, right? Let's quickly talk about the jewelry that Nadine sent. The smaller earrings are called the Charissa earrings, and these are only $9.99. I think that's a really fair price. These are very pretty and a little bit conservative, a little bit small for me. I need some earrings right now because I'm making a video in my bathrobe. But yeah, I like these. I will definitely wear the Charissa earrings, $9.99. The second pair of earrings are called the Gabby. Now, these should be called the Kelly. These are Kelly earrings. I really like this size of earrings, and I think that wire, whoa, that wire detail there, that makes these feel handcrafted and just a little bit more unique than your average hoop earring. These are $11.99. These are my favorite piece of jewelry. The bracelet, this one is called the Rhea bracelet. It's $10.99. It's a gold tone bracelet. This is what, I mean, there's just not much to it. The charms kind of bothered me. They didn't lay nicely. You know, I won't know whether or not I like this bracelet until I wear it. I do wear a lot of turquoise in the spring and summertime, so I'm sure I'm going to give this bracelet a test drive, and maybe I'll give you my thoughts once I wear it. I'm not completely wowed by this piece at all, but it is relatively inexpensive. So the last piece is the necklace. This is it. It's called the Huyana. So cool. It really is a unique piece. I love the hammer detail. You guys know I love mixed metals. They are so very easy to wear. And this one is on a gold chain. And I did not get to try it on for you because when I took it off the package, it broke. Now, it's an easy fix. The extender fell off of it. This is something that my husband will fix in less than a minute, but this is $32.99 and it's broken. I know that things break and sometimes clothing is flawed, but for $32.99, I expect just better quality. I really do. And perhaps even a better presentation. I do think that I could purchase a necklace at that price point that came in a lovely gift box or something like that. But the necklace itself, I think, is very pretty. And my husband will fix it. I will wear it, but it's a little pricey, right? Or am I just cheap? I don't know. Let me know what you think about the pieces that I received in this Nadine West. Which one was your favorite piece? Was it the Gabby earrings? I don't know. I like the Gabby earrings, but I also really like the tops that I got this time. Like I said, everything you need to know about Nadine West is in the description box below if you want to try Nadine West for yourselves. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the very end. You are a trooper for doing that. Today, I am celebrating 2 years on YouTube. Thank you very much to each and every one of you that has supported me for the last 2 years and watched my videos and left comments and thumbs up and encouragement and helpful tips. Thank you so much. I am having the time of my life with my YouTube channel. It has been such a pleasure of mine to meet so many of you, even if it's just in YouTube world or via the internet. It has been such a pleasure to get to know some of you a little bit better as we converse through the comments, or some of you email me or have been in touch with me, and you truly are just a bright spot in my world. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so very much. And if this is the first time that you have ever watched my YouTube channel, welcome. Please subscribe. Please give a video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and come back for another video. I would love to see you again. I'll be back soon. Blessings to all of you.